Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. James, why are you staring at your phone like that? You look terrified.
Honestly, Emma, I am terrified. It has been ringing all morning.
So, why don't you answer it?
I can't. I freeze. When I see an unknown number, my heart starts beating fast. I start sweating.
You are afraid of speaking English on the phone?
Yes, face-to-face is okay because I can see your hands, your eyes, your smile. But on the phone, it is just voices. What if I don't understand them? What if I say something stupid?
Oh, James, that is a very specific and very real fear. It's called phone anxiety.
Phone anxiety. Yes, I definitely have that. I usually just let it ring and hope they send a text message.
You are not the only one. Let me ask our listeners right now. Do you also panic when your phone rings?
Do you ignore calls because you are afraid to speak English?
Do you worry that you won't understand the other person's accent without seeing their face?
It is a lonely and scary feeling. You feel trapped.
But listen to me. Today, we are going to end that fear.
Really? Can we fix it?
Yes. Today, we will teach you the exact phrases to make and receive phone calls with 100% confidence.
No more hiding?
No more hiding. We will show you how to start a call, how to handle bad connections, and how to end a call professionally.
That sounds amazing. I'm ready to stop being afraid.
Great. Let's start at the very beginning. James, pick up your phone. Imagine you are calling a new client. What is the first thing you say when they answer?
Okay, I say, "Hello, I'm James."
Stop right there.
What? That is my name. I'm James.
I know you are James, but on the phone, we don't usually say, "I'm James."
We don't? But face-to-face, I say, "I'm James."
Face-to-face, yes, but on the phone, native speakers almost always say, "This is James."
This is James. That sounds strange. This refers to an object.
On the phone, this refers to the person speaking. It's a standard rule.
So, hello, this is James.
Yes, or even better, "Hello, this is James calling from ABC Company."
Hello, this is James calling from ABC Company. Okay, that sounds professional.
Now, imagine you are the one answering the phone. The phone rings. Dring! You pick it up. What do you say?
I say, "Hello? Who is this?"
Oh, James, no.
What? I need to know who it is. Who is this?
It is very direct. It can sound rude and aggressive, like you are angry they called you.
I don't want to be angry. I just want to know the name.
Instead of "Who is this?" try a softer question. May I ask who is calling?
May I ask who is calling?
Yes, it is polite. It gives them permission to speak.
May I ask who is calling? That sounds much nicer.
Or if you are answering at work, you should announce yourself immediately.
Like, ABC Company, James speaking.
Perfect. James speaking, that is the magic phrase.
Not James is talking.
No, James speaking.
Okay. Hello, James speaking. May I ask who is calling?
Listeners, please repeat that with James. It is a perfect professional opener.
Hello, James speaking. May I ask who is calling?
Excellent. Now, James, let's move to the next step. You need to speak to a specific person. Let's say you want to talk to my boss, Mr. Smith.
Okay. I call the office, the receptionist answers. I say, "I want to talk to Mr. Smith."
I want to talk to?
Is that rude again?
It is a little demanding. Remember, "I want" is for children.
I keep forgetting that.
Use could or may.
Could I talk to Mr. Smith?
Better, but speak is more formal than talk on the phone.
Could I speak to Mr. Smith, please?
That is perfect. Could I speak to Mr. Smith?
What if I know the person very well, like my friend Allie?
Then you can be more casual. Is Allie there?
Is Allie there? That's easy.
Or is Allie around?
Is Allie around? Okay, but for business, I'll stick to could I speak to?
Good choice. Now, here's a situation that makes everyone nervous. What if the person you want is not there?
Oh no, I hate that. I never know what to say.
Let's role play. You're the receptionist. I'm calling. Dring, dring. Hello, could I speak to Mr. Alley?
Oh, sorry, he is not here.
He is not here is grammatically correct, but it's a bit abrupt.
Okay, what about he went out?
too informal. In a business setting, we use the word unavailable.
Unavailable. That sounds professional.
I'm afraid Mr. Ali is unavailable at the moment.
I'm afraid. That means I'm sorry?
Yes, it's a polite way to say sorry.
I'm afraid he is unavailable.
Okay,
I'm afraid Mr. Ali is unavailable at the moment.
and you must offer a solution. Don't just hang up.
I usually say, call back later.
That's an order. James, stop giving orders.
I'm bossy today.
Instead of call back later, ask, would you like to leave a message?
Would you like to leave a message?
Or, can I take a message?
Can I take a message? I like that. It shows I'm helpful.
Exactly. Now, let's flip it. Imagine you are calling Ali, but he's not there. You want to leave a message.
Okay, I say, tell him James called.
Again, tell him is a command.
Okay. Could you tell him James called?
Better, but let's make it even smoother. Could you ask him to call me back?
Could you ask him to call me back?
Yes, this is very clear.
Emma, I have a question about call back.
Yes?
What is revert back? Please revert back to me.
Oh, good catch. Revert back is a very common mistake, especially in South Asia.
Why? Revert means reply, right?
Revert means to go back to a previous state. It doesn't exactly mean reply, and saying revert back is redundant because revert already implies back.
So I should just say reply?
Yes, please reply to me or please call me back. Do not say revert back.
Okay, no revert back.
Now, James, let's talk about the scariest part of phone calls, connection problems.
Oh no, this is my nightmare. Hello? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes. What do you say when the voice is not clear?
I usually shout, your voice is cutting. Your voice is cutting.
Your voice is cutting. This is the most common mistake I hear from Urdu or Hindi speakers.
Why? The voice is cutting, like a knife. Cut, cut, cut.
In English, we don't use cutting for sound. We use the phrasal verb breaking up.
Breaking up, like a relationship?
Yes, same words, different meaning. You are breaking up.
Sorry, you are breaking up.
It means the signal is bad and I can only hear parts of your words.
Sorry, you are breaking up. I can't hear you clearly.
Exactly. Listeners, please remove your voice is cutting from your vocabulary. Replace it with you are breaking up.
What if the call drops completely?
Then you call back and say, sorry, we got cut off.
We got cut off. That is passive. It means technology did it, not me.
Precisely. It's nobody's fault. Sorry, we got cut off.
Okay, what if there is a lot of noise in the background? Like, I'm on the street and there is a bus.
You can say, it's a bit noisy here. Can you hear me okay?
Can you hear me okay?
If you need them to speak louder, don't say, speak loud.
Let me guess. Could you speak up, please?
Yes. Speak up means speak louder.
Sorry, it's noisy. Could you speak up a little?
Perfect. Now let's talk about waiting.
Waiting?
Yes, sometimes you need to check something on your computer. You need the other person to wait.
I say, wait.
I know, it's rude.
I know, it's rude.
Use hold on or hang on.
Hold on a second.
Hang on a minute.
Are these formal?
They are friendly and neutral. If you want to be very formal, say, could you hold for a moment, please?
Could you hold for a moment, please? That is what banks say to me before they make me listen to music for an hour.
Yes, exactly. Please hold.
James, I made a mistake yesterday. I was talking to a customer and I sneezed.
Bless you.
Thank you, but on the phone I accidentally pressed the red button with my cheek.
You hung up on them?
Yes, I panicked. I didn't call back because I was embarrassed.
James, you must call back immediately.
And say what? I pressed the wrong button with my face?
You can say, sorry, I pressed the wrong button by mistake.
I pressed the wrong button. Okay.
Or simply, sorry, I lost you.
I lost you. That sounds dramatic, like they died.
No, it just means the connection was lost. It's a very common phrase. Sorry, I lost you for a second.
Okay. Sorry, I lost you.
Now, let's talk about wrong numbers.
Sometimes I dial the wrong number. A stranger answers. I usually just hang up immediately. Click.
That's very rude. Imagine how confused the other person feels.
But I'm embarrassed.
You should apologize. Say, "Oh, I'm sorry, I think I have the wrong number."
I think I have the wrong number.
Yes, it is polite and simple.
And if someone calls me by mistake?
You say, "I'm sorry, I think you have the wrong number."
I'm sorry, I think you have the wrong number.
Don't just shout, "Wrong number," and hang up.
Be kind. Got it.
James, do you know how to spell your name on the phone?
Yes, James.
But sometimes the connection is bad. J sounds like A or K.
That is true. People always write my name as Games.
So you need to use a reference word, like J for July,
J for July, A for apple.
M for mother, E for elephant, S for sugar.
Is there a standard list?
There is the NATO phonetic alphabet, Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, but you don't need to memorize it. Just use common words.
S for sugar is easy.